Hello students, welcome to the session. So today we will go for the advertisement for sale. But before focusing on the main the topic for this day, I would like to brief you with the deleted syllabus of CBSE class 12th English core. Now you can see it on your screen. Seeing the present scenario, CBSE has deleted certain chapters from your syllabus. So that is from the reading section, note making and summarizing, that is being deleted. And in the literature, first Flamingo, the main book, Poets and Pancakes, The Interview, Going Places, and from poetry, A Roadside Stand. And from Vistas, The Tiger King, Journey to the End of the Earth, and Memories of Childhood. So students, these are the chapters from both the textbook that is been deleted. And finally coming to the writing section, poster making, that is being deleted, though we have done it here in the virtual classes. And the second one, that is the business or official letters for making inquiries, registering and complaints, asking for an orders and sending replies. This simply means that is all the inquiry, the letters. And finally a speech and debate. So students, you should keep it in mind, these are the portions that is being deleted for this exam. And now we will go to the main part, that is the advertisement. So today we will, as I said you just now, for sale. And for sale advertisement, I think it is also one of the most familiar one. Each and every students, at times you might have come across either in the newspaper or some of your the senior students, in case means after the examination, they also sell the books, that is the second hand books. So how you interact with your friend, how you inquire before purchasing that one. So nothing new, but the thing is that your vocabulary should be good and your command in the language is a must. So this advertisement has also got certain format that you always should keep it in your mind before writing. So on the screen now you see that the format: for sale, purchase of property, assets. So these types of ads starts with sale, that is for sale, for purchase, and finally wanted. So now the next point that you should keep it in your mind while writing this type of advertisement, that is, if it is the for sale of a property, of any house, then you should give a brief description of the property. So that is where it is located, that point will come next word. The second one, for sale, that is of not only of the property but also of the vehicles and any other goods, likewise the household goods. So the third one, in case of the property, mention the number of floors, that is you want to sell the first floor, the second floor, or the entire means that the building, the size, number of rooms, where it is located, and a little bit about the surroundings. And the next one is, in case of a vehicle, if you want to sell your vehicle, whether it is a car or it is a bike or any other, so mention the color, the model, the accessories, year of make, modifications, that is in case if you have done any modifications, then you should mention that also, price, mileage, and what is the condition of that very particular vehicle, whether it is in excellent condition or not. And in case if it is for the household goods, mention the same here, that is the condition, the price offered or expected. So well students, as you are the students and many of you might not be knowing about the exact the price, or if it is if you are intending to sell it on the second hand basis, so what means the amount we should say. So in all this that case you can simply write that price that is negotiable, okay. And here I just one example for that is the sale of property. Now it is on your screen, and after that we will have it some exercise, we will do it here. So now the sale or the purchase of property. See the question, you are Harish, Harshita of number 12 Sevanagar, Pune. You wanted to sell your flat as you are shifting to another city for work. Draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in Pune Times under the classified columns. So once again I am repeating the same old thing, that is all the 4 mark question that should be inside the box. That is the foremost thing, and the word limit is 50. Though you might be knowing too many the points that can be categorized under, but what is tested, that you should use the good vocabulary, and within the prescribed word limit you try to express what you want to say. So this is the for sale. So one that is in the ad call section, flat for sale. So available, a spacious, fully furnished in prime locality of Pune, ground floor, 2 BHK with full interior, modular kitchen and spacious balcony. Car parking available, east, park facing, 24 hours water and power supply, owner going abroad, reasonable price. So just now as I told you, in case if you are not that much confident about the exact the amount, you can reasonable price or negotiable price, negotiable. So and finally the contact address you have to give it. So this is one example, and as I always used to say that it is not necessary that whatever the words which I am using here that the same word you should use. It all depends on you and your command over English. And the next question, that is a sale of a vehicle. It is now on your screen. You plan to sell your motorcycle. Draft a suitable advertisement in not more than 50 words to be published in the classified columns of the Hindustan Times, Delhi. Mention the details of the motorcycle. You are Ramesh, 15, Greater Kailash, New Delhi, and your mobile number. So this is a vehicle for sale, and what is a vehicle here? That is a motorcycle. So just one I prepared for you, a black Yamaha with disc brakes, double speed engine, 180 cc, alloy wheels, digital meter, tail brake, lights, mileage 50 km per hour, sparingly used, sale price negotiable. So here also the price is not mentioned, simply the sale price negotiable. And finally towards the end the contact address. So likewise nowadays in the market a number of the vehicles are there, different means the models or the branded the cars are there. So likewise the students, you should know at least some features of the, whether it is a car or the bike or any other the vehicle. So as it is the still the means the vacation is going on, so you should collect some good points regarding the advertisement for sale, and you can keep it with you, and later on you can use it in your examination point of view. So now students, these are the two questions which I prepared for you. So now we will do it here. So I am not going to write the question here. So for example, just now as you have seen that that is you want to sell the property. So we will go for the similar type of question, that means you want to sell the first floor, not the entire property, only the first floor of a newly constructed house. So how you will put the ad in the newspaper? So here the answer goes. So that is under the for sale column. So you can even here in the next line you can mention that is as it is the property, that is optional. If you feel like mentioning, mention, or otherwise you can leave it also. So as I told you, it is the first floor of a building. So you can write available for sale the first floor of a newly constructed house. Then you have to give about the number of the rooms and all. House comprising of 4 bedrooms with attached baths, drawing cum dining room, modular kitchen, space for car parking, because this space, space for car parking, it has become a must in nowadays the life. Then east facing, then finally where this the entire the property where it is located, that is near shopping plaza, price negotiable, interested parties may contact, and finally that contact address will be there in the question itself. Varsha. So available, we'll just go it available, because what is missing here, that is I haven't written the place set. So available for sale the first floor of a newly constructed house comprising of 4 bedrooms with attached baths, drawing cum dining room, modular kitchen, space for car parking, east facing near shopping plaza, comma, Delhi, price negotiable, interested parties may contact Varsha. (25/7) RP Road, Delhi, or you can even give the mobile numbers. So this is the one example in a very simple language I have just written. So we can also include more points, but just keeping in view of the word limit, I have given a full stop to it. So this is the one example for sale of a property. So now students, likewise, for any other, the sale of the property means the full house or the first floor or the one portion of the house, you can use some points or you can use these points besides with your own ideas. So we shall move to the second part of this question, that is, so likewise the for sale, and in case if you want to let out, that means to let section. So by the way, what is to let? To let means that is on the rent basis the rooms are given. So in case you have a property and you want to rent out the one portion or the ground floor or the first floor or means the north side, so whatever it is, how we will do it. So without wasting the time, I am not going to change the entire one, but simply some alteration we will do it here itself. So the first of all, it is not for sale. So in case if you want to let out a house or on the rent basis if you want to give, so what you will write it here, that is to let. Okay, and so this is available for sale I have written here. So once again, if I rub it off and once again write, it is just wastage of the time. So that's why alteration here itself. So available on rent basis, the first floor of a newly constructed house comprising of 4 bedrooms with attached baths, drawing cum dining room, modular kitchen, space for car parking, east facing near shopping plaza, Delhi. Then as it is a price negotiable, that you should not write here. So what is that? It is the to let. So what you will write? You should write about the rent expected, or simply you can write that rent negotiable, but that doesn't sound good. So that's why rent expected. So as it is the entire the first floor and it is of 3 bedrooms and modular kitchen is there, it might be the spacious one. So and it is, you see the location, so the location is also near the shopping plaza. So keeping all this in mind, the rent expected, that is rupees 50,000. Interested parties may contact. So only means in case if you know only about that, whether it is a property, in different types of property only the rooms will be somewhat different. Likewise with as I have written that attached baths with, you can write with modern gadgets and the fittings and all, and even the area you can change, that is in the prime locality or in the lush green area. So likewise I have simply given it is near the shopping plaza. So likewise a little bit changes, but you should have one concept. If it is a property, so what are the basic requirement, and in case if it is you are letting out that house on the rent basis, then also give a detailed description. So I hope students you might have understood regarding for sale and to let of property. So now we will just move to the other part, that is for purchase. So in case if you have been shifted to a new city, this is a question I am telling, I am not going to write the question here. So in case you have been shifted to a new city and you want to purchase a house over there, so how will you write the advertisement? According to your needs, you can write the description. So this means it is you want to purchase a house, so that means it is for purchase. So I am just starting here. For purchase, a newly constructed house in very good or in prime locality or in a posh area. So that depends on the person, you can write anything. So in a very good locality, South Delhi, this is the area you prefer. South Delhi, preferably near airport. So in the previous one I said that it is near the shopping plaza, airport, comprising of 4 bedrooms with attached baths with modern gadgets and fittings. Spacious drawing cum dining room, the same thing, modular kitchen, exclusively designed, area for car parking, (24 hours) water and power supply, then interested, please contact. Abhinav Sharma, Sector 27, Gurgaon. So finally the phone number also, if you have to give the phone number. So this is for purchase. So accordingly, whatever the type of the room you need, accordingly you can give the ad. So simple one, for purchase a newly constructed house in a very good locality, South Delhi, preferably near airport, comprising of 4 bedrooms with attached baths with modern gadgets and fittings, spacious drawing cum dining room, modular kitchen, exquisitely designed, area for car parking, 24 hours water and power supply. Interested, please contact. So this is a for sale and purchase and to let on the rent basis of a property. So similarly, if you want to, we will just move to the from property to the household goods. So the similar one example I will just show it here. That is, the question goes, and in case you have shifted to or you have been transferred to some other city and you want to sell your certain household goods. So how you will write the ad? So this is regarding the household goods. So these household goods may be of the sofa set, the dining table, or the means the Godrej Almirah, it might be the AC or any other the electronic items. So this is once again for sale. So you can simply start with for sale certain household goods, hardly 6 months used, in excellent working condition. So why I am writing working condition means I am going to give some of the electronic items name. So that's why in working condition. Otherwise you can simply write that it is in excellent condition. Then items like, so what are the items? Number 1, that is the LG refrigerator. Second one, Panasonic music system. Micromax TV, Voltas air conditioner, that is simply I am writing AC. So once again that is about the price negotiable. Interested? Contact. Then you can write about the contact address here. So students, I hope you might have understood, and that's all in the today's class, and the next or the remaining part we'll continue it in the next class. Until then, thank you.